Hi there, hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS, bloating, heartburn, painful digestion, any associated hormone issues, menopause, perimenopause, PMS, etc., and chronic fatigue. And I do this with state-of-the-art gut testing, hormone testing, and dietary and lifestyle upgrades to help to bring things back into balance for you. So one of the first areas that my clients start to see improvement in when we start to work on their gut health is in their immunity. They quite often mention things like everybody else around them is dropping like flies with colds and bugs, etc., over the winter, and they've barely caught anything, which is obviously a really positive result there, and we can really tell that things are going to be moving in the right direction for them. And there's a few reasons for this. Firstly, you've got a lot of your immune system is centered around the gut area, so it's like 70-80% of your immune system is in your gut. You've got the first line of your immune defences are in your gut, so your secretory IgA is the first line of defence in your immune system, and it's hanging out in all your mucous membranes. So the mucous membranes lining your respiratory tract, your digestive tract, your reproductive tract, and they're there primed, ready to strike should an infection cross your path. And this will all be happening and you won't even know normally that you're under attack from any kind of bacteria or virus or what have you. So that's you can kind of see the association there. If you've got, you've probably heard of leaky gut. So leaky gut is where that mucosal barrier is compromised throughout your gut and can cause other problems as well, not least with your immune system. You've also got your kind of Peyer's patches. So Peyer's patches are where your white blood cells are throughout your digestive system, and they will be busy remembering any infections that you're newly infected by and creating those memories. So if you get infected again, they're there ready to strike. So it's a really important area to focus on. Not to mention your lactic acid producing bacteria that need to be in plentiful supply are also really critical for your immune defences as well. So there's lots of big areas there that need to be supported in order to make sure that your immune system is really functioning really well. So how do you keep it healthy? That is the thing. Well, first off, I would certainly be focusing on vitamin A and zinc, because they are crucial for a nice robust mucosal lining. Prebiotics as well are going to be super important for keeping those friendly bacteria nice and healthy and in plentiful numbers as well. So focus on foods, particularly during the winter, such as leeks, onions, garlic, boiled cool potatoes, chicory, asparagus and stuff. Those are a few examples of the foods to be focusing on through the winter to try and help keep your microbiome nice and healthy. So, and also it does go without saying as well that your diet in general needs to be really healthy to support a kind of robust immune system. So completely focus on eating rainbow throughout the winter, particularly. I know we should be doing that generally anyway, but lots and lots of leafy greens, berries are useful, ginger, citrus fruits, sweet potato, lots of nice different flavors and colors going on there, so you can make sure that you've got all those bases covered. So what to avoid? Well, I would be avoiding certainly eating too much sugar. You don't have to be pedantic about it. A bit of sugar now and again isn't going to do you any harm, but do keep it as an occasional treat kind of food. Ditto ultra processed foods, I would be avoiding those because they're super bad for your immunity. And also excessive alcohol intake, because excessive alcohol intake is very damaging to the gut and will compromise all those areas that we've just spoken about. which isn't ideal, especially in the winter when we get many more bugs circulating. The last area to be focusing on is managing stress levels. Stress is incredibly bad for your immunity. Obviously we can't avoid stress fully all the time, that would be impossible. There's always stress to be dealt with, but it's going to be our response to that stress which is going to be really critical. So it's a good idea to get into practices such as meditation, yoga, journaling, even exercise, that kind of thing. Anything that helps you to relax and unwind is always a good thing, because then when stresses do appear, they're going to be a lot easier for us to manage. Ditto, you can help things along as well with some nice soothing herbal teas. Chamomile, lavender, for example, lemon balm are all really helpful and soothing if you are feeling very stressed. Okay, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, do like and share, and pop me a message if you'd like some more information on the gut services I offer. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.